Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add shipping zone in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. As you can see, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard and I have already installed the Woocommerce plugin. So in the left side toolbar we are having an option of Woocommerce, and when I move my cursor on the Woocommerce, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of me having an option of settings. Now I am going to click on settings, and here in the settings, as you can see, there are too many tabs above, right? And we just need to click on shipping setting. So I've clicked on shipping, and here it is asking me to create a new zone, add a zone in shipping zone, right? So I'm going to click on add zone, but make sure you have already created shipping classes before creating the shipping zone, right? If you don't know how to create shipping classes, then you can visit our YouTube channel and check out the playlist where we have created a dedicated video on how to create shipping classes, right? Now it is asking me about the zone name. For example, I have divided my country in like 4 zones, right? So here I will simply add the zone name Northwest India, right? And here it is asking me about the zone regions, right? So you can either add counties or like regions or states over here. So here I'm going to add 2 different states or counties. So I have searched for Rajasthan, I have selected it, and here I am going to select this one also, Gujarat, okay, and Haryana, okay. So these 3 states I have added in this particular zone, and here the next section is of shipping method, and I'm going to click on add shipping method. Here it is asking me about free shipping or flat rate, right? Here I'm going to click on free shipping first, click on continue, and here I'm going to provide free shipping into these 3 states, or you can say shipping zone, if a particular customer orders product with a minimum order amount or having a free shipping coupon, or like a minimum order amount or coupon, any of them, right? And the 4th condition is a minimum order amount and coupon, right? Both should be there, then only I am going to provide free shipping. So or else no requirement, right? So here I am going to select a minimum order amount of like $1,000 if somebody orders from these 3 shipping zones, these 3 regions in the shipping zone, and automatically shipping would be free, right? Apply minimum order rule before coupon discount or after coupon discount, right? Like if somebody is having like a percentage discount coupon codes, and for example the cart total is 1050 rupees, right? 1050 bucks are there, right? And if like, although it is a bigger amount than 1000 bucks, right? But if he or she adds a 15% discount coupon code, and near about the card total reaches to 900 bucks, then should I give them shipping free or not, right? It is asking that thing. So apply minimum order rule before coupon discount, then I need to check this in, and else I need to check this out. So I just want to be order value must be above 1000 bucks after getting the coupon discount, right? Then only I'm going to provide shipping free. So I'm not going to check this in, and click on create and save, okay. And now there is another method, so I will again click on add shipping method and select the flat rate, click on continue, and here it is asking me whether the shipping is taxable or not. So shipping is not taxable, I have selected none, and here I can simply add cost, charge a flat rate per item, or enter a cost formula to charge a percentage based cost or a minimum fee, right? So like if I forgot to select any shipping class, any tax shipping class, right, while creating the product, then what website should charge a minimum shipping fee, you can simply mention it, else there is no need. And here it is asking me about the shipping class cost. Like for heavy item I am just going to charge like 250 bucks, and for like medium item I am going to charge 150 bucks, and for like light item I am going to charge 100 bucks, right? No shipping class, I need not to fill anything, right? It is not applicable to me. Coming to the calculation type, here it is asking me per class charge shipping for each shipping class individually. If a person is purchasing 2 or 3 items from your website and all these 3 items belongs from different shipping classes, then should we charge for each shipping class, or like the next option is per order charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class. So if someone is purchasing like a heavy item, medium item and light item, then instead of charging that particular person 250 plus 100 plus 150 bucks, right, it is on and around you can say 500 bucks, right? So if we select the above option, then charge shipping for each shipping class individually, then he or she would be charged 500 bucks. Whereas if we select the next one, charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class, then automatically he would be charged for the heavy shipping class only, right, the 250 bucks, right? So I'm going to select this one and click on create and save, and now I'm going to simply save. So it is auto save, and the shipping zone has been created. So in this manner you can create or add a shipping zone in Woocommerce on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Woocommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Woocommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can make purchase over there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.